Hi everyone, here's an update to the cooling mode that I made to my GoPro Hero 10 Black. Just to recap what we did, we cut through the case to get down to the metal chassis, put some thermal paste and screwed on this 1mm copper plate to it. So how has it performed? Well, it has performed excellently. I've been able to record for over 5 hours until my memory card filled up. I even tried covering this with a blanket to provide insulation to this plate, and it still did not compromise its performance. It still was able to record continuously until the memory card ran out. Now this plate gets reasonably hot, and that's a good sign. That means it's removing a lot of the heat from the GoPro unit itself. Now I'm not recommending that you do this because you can see you can obviously compromise your GoPro with this modification. I'm just letting you know what happened for mine. So if this has been useful to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That will really help me, and looking forward to giving you more content. Thank you.